so much. I literally dusted my old camera off. Let me show you. This is my Olympus camera that's waterproof. So I am so excited to be back on YouTube. If you don't know, I've been posting on TikTok, and this is my second challenge with doing 30 days of posting on TikTok, and I said I need to get started back on YouTube because the people are coming and I want to have content for you guys. So I do have to do sit down videos. I already have like 2 or 3 planned, and now we're going back to the daily vlogs. So I also have a goal here on YouTube, and guys, we'll see about meeting this goal. My hair looks crazy. It's been raining down here in Atlanta, so I was supposed to do a Pilates class today, but it was outside, so that was canceled. And there is an event at Sephora for Haus Labs. I'm thinking of still doing that. I need to eat breakfast. We're doing bacon and eggs today, and I teach crochet, so I'm doing that at 3 o'clock. And then I have to clean. So the house looks a mess right now, and I have clean laundry that's been sitting for this whole week that I need to fold. I am so happy to be back, guys. This is like amazed balls. I'm literally sitting here like, oh, I need a new camera, I need this, I need that. God has shown me I literally have everything. I have like 4 ring lights. I am so excited to be back vlogging. Okay, let's go ahead and get breakfast. Here is my breakfast. I got 4 pieces of bacon, 2 boiled eggs, salt and pepper, and then some grapes. Is anyone else watching old TV shows? Because I'm watching the Desperate Housewives I'm watching the Desperate Housewives right now, and I've never watched it before. So I need to go get a Lazy Susan thing because this looks horrendous. And it's raining right now, which means I'm gonna be wearing a hat because I'll deal with my hair tomorrow. I'm cleaning my bathroom, that's why that stuff is right there. But this is gonna be, oh, I also have my white strip still in. Okay, this is gonna be behind the scenes of my TikTok that I'm about to make. So yeah, basically it's my bedroom makeover, so you guys will get to see that. Well, you kind of will already see it if you aren't subscribed. If you don't already follow my TikTok, I'll have it here on the screen and then also linked below. I also do use the back camera, and then I have my ring light and then flash, of course, and then that lamp over there. Man, I can't wait to do like a full room decoration. I know some of you have asked about an update on our bedroom, and we have finally picked a color. I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna go with green. So we've been out the house, and we are now going to a furniture store. I have to show you one of the bigger purchases that we just made because, guys, we've been talking about this for like, I want to say since last year, since October probably. So the fact that we just made the purchase, I am like so excited. So it's probably not a big deal to y'all, but it's definitely a big deal for us because we are finally like making our place home. This is the place from TikTok, so we'll see how that goes because there are a few things we want to get when it comes to furniture. Really, TikTok must have blew this spot up because there are so many cars. We just have to find somewhere to park. Let me see. You said I'm what? That was too packed for my liking, honestly. So I was ready to go as soon as we went inside. You guys saw how packed it was? Good news is we checked it out. We know where it's at. And they have another location too. So maybe this location just blew up on TikTok and now everybody's here. We made it back home. And this is what we got. So As you can see, it is tiny. It's not tiny. This has been working. This is a really good TV. So we have been getting our, if you don't follow me on TikTok, I did get this chair off a TikTok shop, and it has like a massager and everything. It's a really nice chair. I really like it. We don't really say leftovers. We just say meal prep. So I made dinner last night, and that's what I'm gonna plate up today. This is my second meal of the day. So it's greens, 2 things of chicken drumsticks, and then pilaf rice. Oh, that's fun. We just got to IKEA, and of course my battery is dying. I think this is like the second battery. So I do have 3 batteries for my camera. No, I don't have an extra battery in here. I can show you guys as much as possible. Basically, I'm getting bathroom storage, and I have multiple like these ugly plastic containers that, trust me, they have done their job, but they're not aesthetic at all, and they're kind of broken. So not only are the plastic containers not cute, they're not functional. So let's go inside IKEA. It closes at freaking 10 o'clock. No, it closes at 9 o'clock. So it's 8:36 right now, which kind of sucks. My husband's like, girl, why are you going out this late? And I'm like, when I put my mind to something, I just have to do it there in that moment. So I do like coming to IKEA when it's this empty. I found what I'm looking for, but not exactly. So I think it was that price, but they have this one. This one is like a 2-toned, which isn't bad, but it's on the wall, so I know it's not the ones for the wall. And then this one was like $89, so I think that might be it. Basically, I want one of these so I can put like my hair products and makeup in, because right now it's kind of all over the place. If I'm being honest, I would want this one with the mirror, but this mirror is like so skinny, so that's another one. And then this is like $230, but it's like I could low-key just tape a mirror. Okay, we've secured the goods. I feel bad because it's past 9 o'clock and I had to do like a pickup thing, and I've never done a pickup thing. So he was basically like, we have to grab it for you. I had to get an extension cord for the TV that we're trying to mount, and then this is for the bathroom. So am I gonna do this tonight? Part of me wants to. Literally, I am like so tired. So my husband brought up the IKEA box. It was like at least 50 pounds, I would say. So I'm gonna build this tomorrow. And then the TV, we weren't able to set up the TV. I actually had someone ask me like, how do you balance it all? So I want to make a video about that, because you might not expect the answer that I'm going to tell you. Today is Saturday, May 9th. It's 11 p.m. So see you guys in the morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Okay, so today is Sunday. It is 9 something, and I did want to wake up at like 7, but it didn't work out like that. So I do have a meeting at 10 o'clock. If you don't know, I do like coaching sessions. I also am a part-time social media manager for a small business, and then I have a 9 to 5. And yeah, I will say that I'm truly happy, because at one point I was laid off for a year, and now God has given me abundance. So I thank him every day. We're gonna start with breakfast, probably the same thing, just because it's easy and I have to be ready at 10. Good news is a virtual call, and then I have to fold towels and do another load. I'm trying to clear out the laundry bin, and then we're also gonna get prepared for the week. Yes, also happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, aunties, godmoms, grandmoms, everyone. I'm actually gonna do all 3 eggs. Because I've been eating eggs more often, I actually might start buying larger containers, but it's also because I cook eggs in my recipe. So, ow, why is it not closing? There we go. Okay. I also have to empty out the dishwasher. I just can't brain rot today, and that's okay. There are a couple things that we need to do when it comes to house organization. This little coat rack was cute, but now it's not no more. I want to get hooks to be able to use for the hats or the coats that we have. These hooks, but they're like $13, and you have to nail them to the wall or screw them in. So I'm trying to think of command hooks. It's some hours later, and I'm at Costco getting some gas. Because at this point it's Sunday and I got like 40 miles left. I also have to get some things from Costco, which helps, and I would like to record some videos today. That's the idea. And from Costco we have to get makeup removers, toilet paper. I want to see about some candles, but y'all didn't miss much. I ate breakfast, I got dressed, did my makeup. My call, we're rescheduling that for next week, which isn't bad at all because it's Mother's Day. So I'm like, duh, why wouldn't I even ask them if they want to reschedule? Alright, secured the makeup wipes, right? Wait. Oh, they both come, they all come with it. Whew. I thought it was just makeup wipes, but it's 4 makeup wipes and then these Hydra Boost towels. We'll try it. We're headed to Trader Joe's because apparently Ezekiel bread is supposed to be better for you, and I want to try it out. I knew what I was getting myself into. Secured the bread, and it actually wasn't in the fridge, and it usually is. Literally spent like $175. Oh well, at this point. Now I know not to come so late on a Sunday and try to record anything. At this point, it should be what I spend on the weekends. So I have to put away all my groceries and the toilet paper. And I'm gonna record a TikTok. And that's what I usually do. This is probably like my 3rd video saying what I spent at the grocery store. And every time I go, the price increases. You're basically getting behind the scenes of the TikTok video I'm gonna record because it's gonna be the grocery haul for the week. So yeah, it was 200. Let me go one more time to see how much it was. $243.85. Guys, that's literally like, I'm not gonna say double, but it's up there. I like to use my Apple Watch to make sure I'm in frame. And then this time I'm gonna show receipts. This is actually random receipts because I don't know where the receipts are. I only have one from today, and yeah, so we'll see if anybody catches it. I spent $243.85 on groceries. Here's everything that I got. Eggs, peanut butter, mouthwash, plant-based butter, nail polish remover. Alright, time to put it away. Yay! Such a mess. Great. Okay. Did that actually take 13 minutes to film? Because I am hot. I need to take this jacket off. I need to get cozy. But I don't know. I'm also feeling like going to the... Well, the gym closed at 6. Never mind. So I have to work out at home. And I still want to build my shelf. So first thing I need to focus on is putting all these groceries away. Because the last thing we need is for the stuff to go bad. Like the eggs, that needs to go in first actually. And realistic about what actually needs to be completed today, I would personally like to record a video. Not necessarily edit it, but I do need to clean. And then I need to prepare for tomorrow. So, sounds like the next thing I'm going to do is like dishes and laundry. Because yeah, if I build that furniture now, then I'm also gonna want to organize it. I know myself. This is like, this light is so much better from not overhead light, but I also have my ring light on. So does that work for you guys? But yeah, basically if I want to go to sleep on time, because it's already 6 o'clock, if I want to go to sleep on time, cleaning will be my priority as far as the dishes and then laundry. So then I can put my work clothes to the side and then start steaming the stuff that I'm going to need now. This isn't the same as this, but who cares? I'm just going to refill it. Is it really laundry day if your bed doesn't look like this? So I would like to go through my closet eventually. It's kind of scary. And I'm getting tired. While we know the closet will be a big project, I can at least show you my drawers. These are work pants, and then long sleeve, short sleeve. All of these are like short sleeve, and then like tanks, and then like no sleeves. Bed is clear. Man, it's like a crash. I didn't even have an energy drink today.